Hi everybody, Artist Mark A. Foltz here. I'm just going to do a fast little thing here at the Goodwill. This right here is a gold find right here, done by David Mann. Everybody knows him, Harley Davidson artist. It's a real signature here. This is a gold mine, people. Real glass, signature print. Another little gold nugget right here is a plein air frame. Painting's not so good, but the plein air frame's really good condition. That's what you want to be looking for. These run about 40-50 bucks, and I got it here for 12 bucks. Now I'm going to talk about canvases. You don't want to buy every canvas, but because you don't know if it's oil or acrylic to repaint on it, you don't want it for the surface. You want it for the stretcher bars. These ain't warped, and if they're not warped by now, they never will warp. So you want to restretch a canvas on this beautiful stretcher bars, and that's the only thing I suggest. I don't suggest you try to paint on the surface because you don't know if that's acrylic or oil. Anyways, thanks guys. Peace out. I just did a fast little video here. Hope you guys enjoy it.